Hey guys, it's iPod Pro here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a Valorant beta key extremely quickly and in any country, not just America. By using this tutorial, you should be able to get your key in around 6 hours, as that is around how long it took me to get mine. Make sure to watch the whole video, as skipping a step can dramatically decrease your chances. Also, I'll be showing my gameplay in the background, and I'll be quite honest, I'm not the greatest at the game, so if you have any suggestions on how I can improve, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So the first step is to log into your Twitch account, or create one if you don't have one already. To do so, just click sign up in the top right corner and fill in the information that Twitch asks you. The second step is to create a Riot Games account if you don't have one already. All you have to do is go to the link in the description and click create account. From there, just type in your email and fill in the information it asks you for. Once you have both of these accounts ready, link your Riot Games account to your Twitch account. To do this, click on your profile in the top right and then select settings. Afterwards, go to the connections tab and scroll down to the Riot Games section. Then, just click connect and log in with your Riot Games account. Now, all you have to do is just find a Valorant stream that has drops enabled. What I recommend you do is search up a 24/7 Valorant stream and choose a stream that has drops enabled. When you open the stream, if you do not want to watch or listen to it, make sure to not mute the Twitch stream, but to mute the Chrome tab. This will trick Twitch into thinking that you're an active viewer, which will allow you to unlock Valorant much quicker. One reason why people don't get a Valorant key after days and days of watching is because they make the major error of muting the stream itself, which stops you from being able to unlock Valorant. By muting the Chrome tab, you can let your computer run during the day and overnight without having to hear the stream. If you want to speed up your chances even more, the best thing you can do is create multiple Twitch and Riot Games accounts. The more Twitch accounts you have watching, the higher your chances are of receiving the drop. I use this trick to get Valorant in literally 6 hours worth of watch time. Just make sure the new Twitch accounts you use are linked to different Riot Games accounts. You will know if you have received the Valorant key, as you will get a Twitch notification as well as an email about unlocking Valorant. From there, all you do is just follow the instructions given to you by email and download the app. Now, if you're not in America and want to play the game, all you have to do is enable a VPN. I will leave a link below to a great VPN that works flawlessly that will allow you to watch Valorant from anywhere in the world, fooling Twitch into thinking that you live in the United States. For the final part of the video, I will be moving on to answering common questions that people might have. First of all, the popularity of the stream will not affect the rate of drop, and you can get a Valorant key from any stream as long as they have a drops enabled marker. Secondly, having one account watching multiple streams will not increase your chances. The only way to increase your chances are by having more hours of watch time, or by having multiple Twitch accounts watching streams that are connected to different Riot Games accounts. The final question I'll be answering revolves around your odds of getting a key. I must preface this by saying your chances of a drop are not increased by playing League of Legends or any other games made by Riot. Anyways, once you have watched a Valorant stream for 2 hours, you will be entered into the loot pool. As every hour goes by, your chances increase more and more, which is why you should just leave your Twitch stream open for long periods of time. Overall, to have the highest chance of receiving a Valorant key drop, just watch a Valorant drop enabled stream on multiple accounts for 2 to 10 hours, and you will quickly receive your drop. Well guys, that's all I have for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.